Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the homestead. So late last night, I went and I picked up all of our meat bird feed that we needed for this next batch of meat birds, plus these ones still need to be eat too. So we are going way past the 20 bags that we thought we were going to be using on the meat birds, and I picked up 28 more bags of feed. So I need to go ahead and unload this out of the truck right now and get it stored in the pump house where we keep all the feed. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. All right, so there we go, 28 bags. I put 26 in the picnic area house, and I have 2 that I need to go ahead and take down to the meat birds right now because they are empty. So let's head down to the meat birds and go ahead and fill up their bucket. All right, everybody is fed and happy. I've got everything loaded up that I need to. Now it's time to head inside and start some breakfast. There's Papa. Alright friends, so the day got away from me and I didn't get to record much else of my day. So here we are, it's nighttime and it's time to go ahead and put these chickens to bed, and we will go ahead and call it a night as well. Friends, thanks for stopping by the homestead with us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.